Which one of the following right of Indian Constitution guarantees all the fundamental rights to every resident of country? Answer C. Right to equality. Which one of the following is true with respect to fundamental rights of Indian Constitution? Answer B. Equality of opportunity for all residents. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar termed Article 32 of the Indian Constitution as the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution. Which one of the following fundamental right it contains? Answer B. Right to constitutional remedies. Prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth is a fundamental right classifiable under. Answer B. Right to equality. Which of the following is correct with respect to right against exploitation? Answer A. Prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor. Which fundamental right of Indian Constitution has been deleted by the 44th Amendment Act? Answer B. Right to property. Which article of the Constitution envisages free and compulsory education for children up to the age of 14 years? Answer D. Article 45. In which part of Indian Constitution fundamental rights are provided? Answer B. Part 3rd. The Constitution guarantees that all citizens will be equal before law. It is provided in. Answer D. Article 14 of Indian Constitution. Which article of Indian Constitution ensures that the state cannot discriminate against a citizen on the basis of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth? Answer C. Article 15. Which of these is not included as a fundamental right in the Indian Constitution? Answer A. Right to equal wages for equal work. Which of the following can a court issue for enforcement of fundamental rights? Answer B. A writ. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? Answer D. Right to property. What is the category in which the negotiating strategy of a strike by the government employees falls? Answer A. Legal right. On which of the following days United Nations General Assembly ratified its Universal Declaration on Human Rights? Answer B. December 10, 1948. Fundamental rights in India are guaranteed by its through. Answer C. Right to constitutional remedies. How many fundamental duties are included in Indian Constitution? Answer C. 11. The fundamental rights in our Constitution are inspired by the Constitution of. Answer D. United States of America. Right to property was removed from the list of fundamental rights during the rule of. Answer B. Morarji Desai government. The writs for the enforcement of fundamental rights are issued by. Answer C. The Supreme Court. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court held the fundamental rights are unamendable? Answer D. Golaknath's case. The chapter on fundamental duties includes answer A. Duty to cherish and follow the noble ideals which spread out freedom movement. Who is the guardian of fundamental rights enumerated in Indian Constitution? Answer D. Supreme Court. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with fundamental rights? Answer C. Part 3rd. Fundamental rights are not given to answer A. Aliens. Which one of the following is the guardian of fundamental rights? Answer D. Judiciary. Which one of the following fundamental rights is available to Indian citizens only? Answer C. Protection from discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex or place of birth. Fundamental duties were added to the Constitution by answer C. 42 Amendment. Fundamental rights guaranteed to the Indian citizens, answer B, can be suspended. Which one of the following fundamental rights were described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution? Answer D. Right to constitutional remedies. Which one of the following is fundamental rights guaranteed by the Constitution of India? Answer C. Right to equality. Right to free education within certain limits is answer A. Guaranteed as a fundamental right. The two basic principles of the liberal theory of democracy as emphasized by John Locke are answer C. Universal adult franchise and the right to property. List of fundamental duties were added to the Indian Constitution as part answer C. 4. Socialist thinkers advocate the extension of the right to equality in answer B. Economic sphere. In the Constitution of India, the fundamental rights answer D. form a part of the original Constitution. In India, the right to property is now recognized as answer A. the legal right. Right to vote is a answer C. political right. Which fundamental right, according to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, is like the heart of the Constitution? Answer D. Right of constitutional remedies. What is the status of the right to property now? Answer A. Legal right. A court enforces enjoyment of a fundamental right by issuing answer C. a writ. Political right does not include which of the following? Answer A. Right to life. When were the fundamental duties of the Indian citizen incorporated in the Constitution? Answer B. 1976. The right to public office is a answer A. political right. Which case is related to fundamental right? Answer B. Golaknath versus State of Punjab 1967. The Chief Minister is appointed by answer A. Governor. The success of democracy depends upon the answer C. Right to personal liberty. Right to education become a fundamental right on answer B. April 1st, 2010. Which of the following is a political right? Answer C. Right to vote. How many fundamental rights were guaranteed initially? Answer D. 7. Thank you for watching.